Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before we dive into our tutorial, mag-shoutout muna tayo. So, shoutout kay Ralph, Dexter, Sunugan, Phil Sevilla, Norisa Hagad, Nicole Masangkay, Pauline Montefalcon, Kay De Guzman, Alexandria Rosas, Marie Adeline Cancio, Raymar Coloma, John Raven Ramos, Kyle Gabriel Kayana, kay Maria Erica Royo, Patrick John Orine, and lastly, shout out kay Lay Kizon. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Mabagal by Moira Dela Torre and Daniel Padilla. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Now for the intro, we have the chord progression of D, Bm7, E7, A7, G flat minor, or also known as F sharp minor sa guitar. And then we also have Bm7 again, and then E7 ulit, and then A7. Now we have two strumming patterns for this song. First one is para sa mga mahilig mag-chucking, and then the second one is para sa mga hindi pa marunong mag-chucking, okay? So the first strumming pattern is down, chuck, up, down, and then the other one is down, down, up, down, okay? So slowly, maging ganito yung strumming pattern natin. Okay? So, strum mo, strum, and then chuck, tapos up, down, tapos lipat. Tapos ulitin mo na naman, down, chuck, up, down, down, chuck, up, down, down, chuck, up, down, down. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. So, again, slowly, para sa first strumming pattern, down, chuck, up, down. And then, di ba, first natin na down strum, tapos, after ng first down strum mo, parang may ilang milliseconds pa saka ka na mag-chuck, okay? So, hindi ganun, okay? So, down, chuck, up, down, ayan. Down, chuck, up, down, down, okay? Mali. Down, chuck, up, down, down, ganon. So, from D to B-7, and then so on. So, paulit-ulit lang yung strumming pattern natin. So, diba? Down, tapos chuck. So, para siyang palm mute wherein you're going to block the strings using the palm of your hand, which is this part. And then, diba, ibablock mo siya. Kasi pag hindi mo siya ibablock, nagva-vibrate yung strings and then may sound na na-produce. So, if you're going to block the strings using your palm, and then while strumming it, and then parang pabigla siya na pagka ganun, so you're going to produce this kind of sound. Yung ch-ch-ch. And that is what you call chucking. Okay? So, down, chuck, up, down, down. And then, diba, down, chuck, up, down. Tapos yung down mo is parang maliit lang na down. Okay? So, down, chuck, up, down, 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 down. Ayan. Okay? So, that's how we're going to play the intro. So, for the second strumming pattern, instead of doing the chucking, tulad nung sa first strumming pattern natin, yung gagawin natin is substitute lang natin siya sa isang down strum. So, down, down, up, down, down, down. Mali yung chord ko. Okay, ulit. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. Ayan. So, ganun pa rin. So, instead of doing the ganun, so, you may do the down strum na lang. Okay? So, itaban sa panyo kung ano yung gusto nyo, but it's just a matter of personal preference kung yung gusto nyo gawin. So, that's for the intro. Now, let's move on to the next part of the song, which is the first chorus. Now, for this part, we're going to do the same thing in which, ganun pa rin yung strumming pattern natin. Down, chuck, up, down, down, chuck, up, down, down, chuck, up, down, down. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. And then, it depends upon yung kung ano yung gagamitin yung strumming pattern. But for this tutorial, ay ipe-prefer ko yung first strumming pattern, which is yung may chucking. If wala kayong kapo, okay din naman. You can still play the song without the kapo, pero yung pitch niya iba. Okay? Ayan, so mas lower siya. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Okay? Kasi maraming nagtatanong if you can still play the song without a kapo. Yes, you can, but the pitch is lower. Okay? So, diba, gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Pero pag with kapo, eto na yung original pitch. Mas mataas. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ayan. Can you see the difference? So, ayan. So, that is the purpose of the kapo, to raise the pitch of the song. So, again, let's go back to the first chorus. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ayan. Now, let's move on to the next part of the song, which is the verse 1. Now, for the verse 1, ganun pa rin yung strumming pattern natin. Heto na ang kantang hinihintay natin. Heto na ang pagkakataon na sabihin sa'yo ang nararamdaman ng puso ko. Matagal ko nang gustong sabihin to. Ayan. So, kung natatandaan nyo, yung sa intro natin na we have yung may open and close parenthesis na 3, and then for A7 we have 1. So, ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin for the last line of the verse. Like, we have to strum 3 times na parang staccato. 1, 2, 3, 1. And then, connect mo na naman siya ulit sa chorus. Okay? And then, babalik ka na naman sa chorus. And then, kung ano yung ginawa natin kanina sa first chorus, yun din yung gagawin natin for the chorus after the first verse of the song. So, after the second chorus is the verse 2. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1, yun din yung gagawin natin sa second verse of the song. So, ayun, kakantahin na lang natin yung verse 2. And 3, 2, 1, go. Ilalagay ang iyong kamay sa aking baywang. Isasabay sa tugtog ng kanta ating katawan. At dahan-dahang magdidikit ating mga balat. Matagal ko nang gustong mangyari to. And then after that part is another chorus, and then the same thing yung gagawin natin doon. So let's move on to the next part of the song, which is the bridge. Now for the first 2 lines of the bridge, we have the chord progression of E minor 7, G flat minor, G major 7, and then balik ka na naman ulit sa G flat minor. Okay? So, yung strumming pattern natin dyan is still the same. Down, chuck up, down, down. Or, it depends upon you. Kung gusto nyo yung walang chucking like down, down, up, down. Okay? So, down. But for this tutorial, chucking yung like parang main strumming pattern ko. Okay? So, down, chuck up, down, down, chuck up, down, down, chuck up, down, down. And then, 2 times. Ayan. Okay? And then, for the next line, we have kakantahan ka ng a cappella sa iyong tenga. So, we have to strum once per chord for that line. We have kakantahan ka ng a cappella sa iyong tenga. Ayan. And then, for the next line of the bridge, we have at namin natin ang pagsasama. Okay? So, yung first 4 chords natin dyan is the same with first 2 lines ng bridge. We have E minor 7, G flat minor, G major 7, and then A. And then yung strumming pattern natin dito is yung second strumming pattern na walang chucking. At namin natin ang pagsasama. Ayan. Kung napapansin nyo, yung ginamit ko sa demo ay, ayun nga, yung second strumming pattern. So, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Ayan. Tapos parang pinamute. Ayan, okay? So, again, at nam, nam, namin, natin, ang pagsasama. Tapos, balik na naman sa sama. Ayan. And then, let's jump off to the next part of the song. Now, for the last chorus, we only have 4 lines instead of 5 lines na katulad dun sa ibang chorus. Kasi yung gusto kitang isayaw na mabagal, isang beses na lang natin yun uulitin. So, diba, dito tayo nagtapos. Down. Sa bridge, ito yung last part ng bridge. And then, connect ka na sa last chorus. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal, hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. And then, for the last line of the song, gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Medyo slow na yung tempo natin dito. And then, we only have to strum once per chord also. So, sumasabay, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ayan, okay? So, slow ang tempo and then strum once per chord. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, go. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Heto na ang kantang hinihintay natin. Heto ng pagkakataon na sabihin sa'yo ang nararamdaman ng puso mo. Matagal ko nang gustong mangyari to. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ilalagay ang iyong kamay sa aking baywang. Isasabay sa tugtog ng kanta ating katawan. At dahan-dahang magdidikit ating mga balat. Matagal ko nang gustong mangyari to. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Pag natapos na ating kanta at wala nang musika, kakantahan ka ng akapela sa iyong tenga. Hananamnamin natin
you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.